Hi people, how una dey? It's me your girl Sisi Caro Omondo. Subscribe to this my YouTube channel and press the notification bell to see more videos.
Hello, baby. Yes, me too. I hear the time they talk that today is already free for everybody.
You are not a bastard.
You can go from Minna to Roma now. Oh. See. For now, I don't like it. I don't like it. For now, we already free. And now you can from Milan come here now. That thing is already crash me. Oh. You say?
There is God.
Opportunity for the way though, you know. That for now. They already leave everybody to flex outside.
Funke!
Fasting still there.
Funke!
We can do the Ramadan for one side. We can start our life. I miss that level now. You know, it's been a long time you are left the house. You remember
Apostle, we hear of this.
Now the corona woke you for there. Over 3 months now. That thing is already crash. Oh. It's not like I need them. I already need it. Baby, this remaining Ramadan, so you will like to block it. So when we finish our day, so you can continue. This is a big congratulation. We need to congratulate this thing together. Because the movement you can come now. Since over 3 months you are staying there. You can't come here. So this one is opportunity for you and me to communicate and circulate together. And this is our opportunity to communicate and circulate together.
You are not a bastard.
Go and look the ticket money. I will pay the money for you. I will even still give you extra money if you come here. Don't worry about the money. As that thing I made my own ginger. I've already buy you agbo. Don't worry, I don't already buy the agbo for you. You can use it to do that thing. Me too, I will take like about 38 Ramadan for you because you can enter the danger.
Tí wọ́n mọ bò wá rè torí Ọlọ́run. Mo jẹ jìyà lórí àwọn ọmọ yìí o.
Do you know? It's a
There is God.
Thank you, baby.
You are not a bastard.
My body, not be my photo.
Ayé mi tèmi bá mi.